So for today, our topic of discussion is some journal tips for speaking. It's very common that we face different problems when we are in interview. So today I'll be telling you about 11 important points which are very important while you are in interview. So let's start. The first point is be formal. So when I say be formal, you have to show your best behavior when you are in the interview. You have to be more or formal. You have to be more or active, enthusiastic, smart when you are in the interview. Do not talk casual. You don't have to talk casual when you are in the interview. Second point is give a full answer. So what I mean by give a full answer is you have to speak your best English you have learned till date. Never give one word answer. You should avoid giving one word answer when you are in the interview. So let's take an example. For example, interviewer asks you, where are you from? So rather saying directly that I am from Mumbai, I am from Chandigarh, I am from Hisar. So how you can say, you have to come out with the vocabulary so the examiner can get to know that you know many words, variety of words, and you are giving your best answer. So the answer would be like this, that I belong to Chandigarh. I hails from Chandigarh. Be polite or cultured. So when I say be polite, that means you don't have to be harsh in your words. When you are replying, you have to be very polite when you are replying to the interviewer. For example, you didn't understand anything when interviewer asked anything to you or put up any question to you. So you don't have to say sorry. What? Instead, you should say, could you please repeat this question for me? So instead of using these sorry, what, these harsh words, we have to be polite. We have to be cultured when we are in the interview. Fourth point is maintain a good posture. When I say maintain a good posture, that means you have to sit straight with full of confidence, and you have to be quite enthusiastic when you are in the interview. The next point is speak clearly. Don't worry about your accent at all, because when you are in the interview, it's very common that everyone has their own accent of speaking. So you could come with the variety of words with your accent but with fluency, and your pitch, your tone should be very clear when you are in the interview. The next point is use descriptive words. So basically, what are descriptive words? By this I mean that you have to do more of show off here. By show off, we are saying that you have to avoid overuse words. For example, don't use happy. Instead of happy, use ecstasy. Don't use bad. Instead of bad, use awful. So you have to come out with the variety of words, vocabulary, cohesion, phrases, and different words so that you can get good bands out of your vocabulary. Rather using these boring words, we can say, use some energetic, some different, some descriptive words in front of the interviewer. Next point is speak up. So when I say speak up, so it's very common that when you are in the interview, the interviewer is giving you different bands. So when he'll give you bands, obviously the speaking you are doing, it's been recorded. So when it's recorded, you will be judged on your recording also. So continuously you have to speak as much as you can speak. You have to speak more than the interviewer. So that's the point, that you have to speak up. Next point is keep a steady pace. Now what do we understand by pace? Pace means speed. For example, if you are speaking too fast, that means it may the interviewer could say, oh, what you are saying, or it may that he'll not get what you are saying. If you are speaking too slow, that means you are not getting the words, you are not getting the reply, that what to say to the interviewer. So both the things we have to manage. We have to manage our space while we are in the interview. Explain foreign words. So what do you understand by foreign words? Foreign words means you have to use variety of words that you can relate it, make it in your sentence. Rather giving direct answer, elaborate it with 2-3 words, frame a sentence and then give your answer. The next point is do not use slang. For instance, see, in this picture you can see they have said she got outer the taxi. Outer taxi, outer, gonna, wanna, that means I want to do this. Rather saying get outer taxi, say she got out of the taxi. Rather saying am I going to talk to him, say I am going to talk to him. Have to. You have to do it. That means you have to do it. Rather saying I gonna do it, I wanna do this. Wanna means I want to do this. So rather using slangs, it's better to use full words. The last and the very important point for our discussion for today is do not memorize answers. Never do overthinking when you are in the interview. Instead, never do cramming when you are in the interview. Rather, thinking a lot, you have to come out, you have to do lot of predictions and speak up and speak up. Rather taking pauses or thinking much, you have to be fluent in your speaking. Do not memorize answers, do not learn it, do not cram it. So it's better you have to be ready with the possible replies that interviewer can put up to you.
इस वीडियो को लास्ट तक देखने के लिए थैंक यू। अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आया है तो इसे लाइक और शेयर करें। सब्सक्राइब करना बिल्कुल ना भूलें। अगर आपको कोई डाउट है तो कमेंट सेक्शन में उसे लिखें, हम जल्दी ही उसका रिप्लाई देंगे।